Hi guys, how you doing today? I am chill today. Welcome to For the Love of Cars. Today we are talking about something very simple but very important. That's why I'm simple, I'm chill. We're talking about the first 5 minutes after your car starts acting funny. You know, many drivers do the wrong thing immediately. The car shakes, they panic. The car makes noise, they increase the volume of the radio. The temperature rises, they say, let me first reach. The check engine light appears, they call a friend who does not know. The car delays to accelerate, they say the gearbox is gone. The first few minutes are very, very important. This is when you collect vital information. Do not panic. Do not guess. Don't force the car. Don't change the parts immediately. Observe. You see, the thing that happens in most cases, when the car stops, get out of the car. Especially when it stops and the lights go off, get out of the car, open the bonnet, check the battery terminals. Are they tight? Are they loose? Connection of parts that help the engine run, like the coils, the cables to the alternator, stuff like that. You get? You see, you need to stop and notice what has changed. When the car starts acting funny, first ask yourself, what has changed? Take a wakagamba editor. What has changed? The car starts shaking. It gets weak. When it makes a noise. When it starts smoking, is there a smoke? What color is the smoke? When there is a smell, how is the smell? When there is a warning light, what is the light? The temperature rises. Did it happen after fueling the car? Did it happen after washing the engine? Did it happen after hitting a pothole? Did it happen when the engine was cold or when it was hot? The small details matter, my brother. Because when you later explain to a mechanic, do not just say the car is disturbing. That's what you guys say. The statement does not help much. The car is disturbing. It's disturbing how? Say exactly what happened. Welcome to For the Love of Cars. The first 5 minutes after your car starts acting funny, the second thing you're going to do is check the dashboard. You know the dashboard? That place where the speed meter is, the lights are. Check the dashboard. Modern cars talk through warning lights. They check engine light, the ABS light, the oil pressure light, the temperature light, the traction control light, the hybrid warning. When the lights come on, I don't want you to panic just because the light has appeared. But also do not ignore. Some of you guys ignore a lot. Some lights mean drive carefully, but other lights also mean stop immediately. For example, when the temperature warning light comes, the red one, when the oil temperature light comes, those are not jokes. Do not joke. If the temperature is rising, don't keep forcing the car. And by the way, when the temperature light normally comes on, even the car starts losing a bit of power. When the oil light comes on, do not continue driving the car like nothing has happened. A warning light is not the full diagnosis. It's a direction. Park. There are some lights that are not a joke. You see what I just did there? You tell me what I just did. Listen to the sound. That's number 3. The first 5 minutes when your car starts acting funny. Number 3 for you to do is listen to the sound. If your car makes noise, listen properly. If the sound is the sound from the engine? Is it from the wheels? Is it from underneath the car? Is it from the front? Is it from the back? Does it happen when accelerating? Does it happen when you're steering? Does it happen when you're braking? Does it happen when you're turning all the way or when you're turning a little? Does it happen when you're going over the humps? Does it happen when you're going over the bigger hump? Does it happen at low speed or at high speed? Is it humming sound? Is it a humming sound? Because if it's a humming sound, it might point towards the tire or hubs. Is it a knocking sound? Because a knocking sound over humps points you towards the suspension. Is it a squealing sound? Because then those are the brakes. Is it a rough engine sound? Because that may point you towards the engine having running issues. But when you hear those things, you just say it's making like a sound. She's on the phone. Explain, where is it happening? When did it start? How did it start? The better you explain the sound, the easier it is for the mechanic to help you diagnose, even on the phone. Number 4. You guys just know how to smell food. You need to smell problems. If you drive your car, start smelling problems. Some of us, we smell a car is starting to overheat, we smell it. It turns kuchamuka. You need to smell the problem, because sometimes the car does not first show you the problem. It will send you the smell, the burning smell, the fuel smell, the coolant smell, the rubber smell, the electric smell, the brake smell. These smells are not for decoration. They are not aromas. If you smell fuel, be careful. If you smell burning, if you smell coolant and the temperature is right, stop and check. If you smell brakes after driving, maybe something is just sticking and overheating. Brakes manyo kwe kwata. Do not ignore a smell. A smell can save you before your car gives you bigger problems. And bigger problems normally come after overheating. One of the people I inspected for a car, the same day we inspected the car, they went on the Entebbe Express, drove it in one gear, the engine overheated. They forced it, we had to rebuild the engine. So you have to know all these things. Cause Uganda, we roll from dusty road to Number 5, we are talking about what to do in the first 5 minutes when your car starts acting funny. Look for smoke or leaks. You need to look around the car. Is there smoke from the exhaust? Is there smoke from the bonnet? Is there something leaking under the car? Is the smoke coming through the dashboard? Can you smell it under the seats of the passengers behind? Is it oil? Is it coolant? Is it fuel? Is it just AC water, my brother? Some drivers see liquid under the car and they panic, it is just AC water. Did you know that when the AC is running properly, it drips down? There is even like a pipe that brings the water down. Others see coolant leaking and they keep driving, which is dangerous. So don't panic blindly. Look properly. If it's clear water under the car, then that's okay, because that's AC water. It's normal. But if it's colored, that's why I encourage you guys, put coolant in your radiators, because if it's coolant leaking, you'll see. But if it's just water, you may think it's AC na inga atemoroka egenda kuchamukako. You need to remember what just happened before the problem. Ojukira, what happened before this started? Normally when someone calls me and they say, Arthur, my car has stopped, I ask them, okay, did you just do something? Did someone do something? What happened before the problem? Because this is very important. Ask yourself, what happened before the car started acting funny? Did I refuel? Did I put the bad fuel? Did I put diesel in petrol, petrol in diesel? Did I put kerosene in petrol, diesel? You need to ask yourself, did I just wash the engine? Maybe water disturbed the sensors, the coils, the intakes. Did I just hit a pothole? Because sometimes you hit a pothole and a socket comes off. Maybe the tire. Maybe the room broke. Maybe the hub has started. Maybe suspension got the alignment. Did I just repair something? Did you just change the battery? Maybe the terminals were not fastened. Did I drive through water? There is a time I drove through water in my Primo Nensura Kukumu. Maybe it's a wet filter. Maybe an intake issue happened. The history helps a lot. It's important that you as a car owner, you start remembering the things that you did wrong or the things that you just did. And then, of course, number 7 for you to remember, the first 5 minutes when your car starts acting funny, do not force the car. Do not force the car. You see, there are many people that kill their own cars. The car warns them, but then they say, Let me first reach. The temperature is rising, let me first reach. The oil light is on, let me first reach. The car is knocking badly, let me first reach. The smoke is coming, let me first reach. My friend, sometimes reaching is more dangerous than stopping. Ogenda lya kibebi. Ogenda genda okulya kibebi emoroka efe otandika waffe bandoga. Sometimes if you look at the symptom and the symptom is very serious, stop safely. It's like when you get dizzy out of the blue. Getting dizzy doesn't just come out of something happened. Call someone. Let the car be checked. And sometimes you see a breakdown or a tow truck might look expensive, but sometimes you need to understand it's cheaper than an engine. I'll give you an example. A tow truck will take you from Entebbe, take you to Kalerwe at about 250,000 shillings, sometimes less. But an engine will cost you 2.5. So sometimes it's just safer for you to stop. For the love of cause, Uganda, we roll. From Number 8 of the things you should do the first 5 minutes when your car starts acting funny, record a short video. Record a short video. Get your phone out. I don't have my phone. Get your phone out. Record everything, because everyone knows how to record a video. Almost everyone is on TikTok. Almost everyone does a challenge. Almost everyone does it. So do a video when it's very important. It's very practical. If the car starts acting funny, record a video. Record the dashboard. Record the sound. Record the RPM movement. Kali stable te kali stable. Record the smoke. Record the warning light, specifically the one that is worrying. Record everything. Record when it happens, but do it safely. Don't record a video when you're driving. That's stupid. You record when you're driving. Na makanika katika nkakweze video call. Kakole video call kati ojiraba ngeno bovuga. Stupid. Very stupid. So, the video can help the mechanic or the diagnosis person understand the symptom better. Because sometimes when you reach the garage, the car becomes humble. It refuses to misbehave. Then you start explaining, kakati anti olaba, wenabadde ku ntebe road awo, nekubaka hampu, simanya nekola biki. Video can save time. When it starts acting funny, park aside, record the video in the dashboard, record how it's reacting, open the engine room, go to the engine, record, under the car if it's necessary, the exhaust pipe if it's necessary, send it to your mechanic. And guys, stop having mechanics that don't have WhatsApp. A mechanic that can't even maintain having a smartphone is going to be fixing your car of 25 million, your car of 70 million. Ngaina kama pesa, mubagobe. Helping every driver in the town. For the love. I'm going to share a 5-minute checklist. Okay? 5-minute checklist. In the first 5 minutes, these are the things you need to answer. Number 1, the car starts misbehaving, park. Don't even ask questions. Park, but don't turn off the engine yet. Park, leave it running, but park. Number 2, check the dashboard lights. Number 1, we parked. Number 2, check dashboard lights. Number 3, listen to the sound. Number 4, check the smell. Check the smoke. Are there any leaks? Number 5, remember what happened before the problem started. Number 6, record a short video of everything, especially when you're safe. Todda ku Ntebe Express emotoka za president ziyitawuzi bajja kukuba amasasi. And then of course, number 7, do not force the car. If the temperature, oil pressure, lights are on, or if there is smoke, or if a serious noise is involved. If you hear a very serious noise in the engine, you cannot keep driving the car. And then of course, number 8, call for proper help and explain properly. Now, the first 5 minutes after your car starts acting funny can save you a lot of money, because this is when you either protect the car or make the problem worse. If you panic, if you guess, you may change the wrong parts. If you force the car, you may create bigger damage. If you observe properly, you may help diagnosis. So remember, do not panic. Observe fast. What changed? What light came on? What sound came? What smell came? What happened before? Is it safe to continue? This is how a smart driver thinks. Someone that Now, all these things that I'm sharing, this is information that I've gathered all my life. I started driving in 2010. Well, some of you guys were driving in 2010, but you don't know as much as I know. It's not a bad thing to not know. You just did not gather the information. First 5 minutes. That must be a useful video, right? Tell me in the comments, is it useful? Also tell me in the comments, what is the first thing you do when your car starts acting funny? Do you stop and check, or you first say, let me reach? Guys, this has been For the Love of Cars. I am Arthur, as always, and we'll keep these videos coming. Don't forget, the Love for Cars convention is happening 29th August 2026, Bat Valley Theatre. Entrance will be only 30,000. We are preparing a very juicy program for you guys. You're going to learn a lot. Mechanics are going to be there. Technicians are going to be there. I am going to be there. And on 29th August, we are also giving away my project car, the Starlet, to the lucky person that you guys are voting for. So be there or be nowhere. We start in the morning and we go through all the way to the evening. I'll see you then. And don't forget, I do pre-purchase inspection, guys. If you're buying a car and you need someone to help you make the right decision, I am your man. I come with a mechanic, and together we make sure that you get the right car for your budget. Yes, I charge a small fee, 450,000 shillings. Until next time, ciao.